This is our Mount F Series Hydraulic Decoiler. The coil car moves forward and lifts up to place the coil into loading position and align it with the mandrel center, then moves down and back to clear the working area. The press arm moves down to stabilize the outer layers of the coil and prevent loosening, and lifts up when adjustment or release is needed. The mandrel expands to grip different coil inner diameters for securing, and contracts for loading and unloading. It rotates forward for stable unwinding, and reverses for positioning adjustment. Overall, it is used for coil loading and controlled unwinding, providing continuous and stable material feeding for the production line.